What command is used to save the standard output in a file as well as display it on the terminal? A. T. B. grep. C. cat. D. more. The correct answer is T. What command is used to count just the number of lines contained in a file? A. WCR. B. WCW. C. WCC. D. WCL. The correct answer is WCL. In OSI network architecture, the routing is performed by A. session layer, B. transport layer, C. data link layer, D. network layer. The correct answer is network layer. The 32-bit internet address 1000000000000000010 will be written in dotted decimal notation as A128.10.2.30, B210.20.2.64, C164.100.9.61, D148.20.2.30. The correct answer is 128.10.2.30. Which class network is used for a collection of a small number of networks with a large number of nodes? A. class A, B. class B, C. class C, D. all of the above. The correct answer is class A. What type of addressing format is used by class A network? A. net.net.node, B. net.net.node.node, C. net.node.net.node, D. net.node.node.node. The correct answer is net.node.node.node. What types of installations require a special boot disk? A. NFS, B. FTP, C. PCMSIA, D. all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. RPM. A stands for Red Hat Package Manager. B is used to install, uninstall, and manage packages. C is used to keep track of the users. D assigns a dynamic IP address. The correct answer is stands for Red Hat Package Manager. What command is used to query for a specific package with RPM? A. RPM-Q, B. RPM-A, C. RPM-D, D. RPM-1. The correct answer is RPM-Q. What script is run for setting bash global defaults for all users? A. etc.profile, B. etc.bash, C. etc.log, D. etc.profile. The correct answer is etc.profile. Who founded the Linux kernel? A. Bill Gates, B. Ben Thomas, C. Richard Stallman, D. Linus Torvalds. The correct answer is Linus Torvalds. Which of the following is not a part of default Red Hat Linux email system? A. Pine, B. DMTA, C. DMUA, D. ProMail. The correct answer is Pine. Tool allows you to change your default X window desktop. A. Utilinux, B. Sempre, C. Switchdesk, D. Window. The correct answer is Switchdesk. In what file can you specify which users are not allowed to access a system via FTP? A. etc. users, B. etc. hosts.deny, C. etc. access, D. all of the above. The correct answer is etc. users. Which program is used to schedule particular jobs or programs at particular times on the system? A. 6, B. Outlook, C. Scheduler, D. cron. The correct answer is cron. Which command can force all buffers to disk? A. Save, B. Sync, C. edbuff, D. Flush. The correct answer is sync. How many extended partitions can exist on one drive? A 16, B 4, C 2, D 1. The correct answer is 1. For you to create a swap partition by using fdisk, what must the partition's system ID type be? A 83, B 82, C 5, D 4. The correct answer is 82. What file contains the list of port numbers and associated names monitored by inetd? A. Etc. services. B. Etc. order. C. Etc. switch.conf. D. Etc. hosts. The correct answer is Etc. services. The location of some system configuration and system administrator executable files is A. home, B. proc, C. var, D. sbn. The correct answer is sbn. The location for subdirectories for local programs and executables for user and administrative commands is A. usr, B. tmp, C. opt, D. mnt. The correct answer is usr. Which of the following is not a filter command? A. sort, B. wz, C. grep, D. cat. The correct answer is cat. What command is used to display a file contents in octal form? A. october, B. off, C. od, D. cd. The correct answer is od. What command is used to assign executable permission to all of the files named report? A. chmod ugo x report, B. chmod u x report, C. chmod ugo rw report, D. chmod ugo r report. The correct answer is chmod ugo x report. What command is used to change the working directory? A. cdir, B. chdir, C. changedir, D. cd. The correct answer is cd. What command is used to count the number of files in the current directory by using pipes? A. lswsc, B. lswzw, C. lswzl, D. lswz. The correct answer is lswzl. What command is used to count just the number of characters in a file? A. wzr, B. wzw, C. wzc, D. wz1. The correct answer is wzc. How many class A, B, and C network IDs can exist? A. 128, B. 126, C. 16382, D. 113 658. The correct answer is 113 658. LILO. A stands for Linux loader, B is the Linux boot loader, C is a tool used to boot the kernel on x86 hardware, D. all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. How can you rebuild the RPM file to include the new patches? A. recompile, B. rebuild, C. generate, D. execute. The correct answer is recompile. What command is used to set user and group quotas? A. sbn use quota, B. sbn ed quota, C. sbn quota on, D. sbn quota. The correct answer is sbn ed quota. NIS. A is Network Information Service, B is a simple directory service whose main purpose is to allow remote authentication of systems on local network systems. C was formerly known as Yellow Pages. D allows configuration such as password and group files. The correct answer is Network Information Service. In order to increase the amount of memory available for a system, what is the maximum size of a swap partition with kernel version 2.2.x? A. 2 GB, B. 128 MB, C. 64 MB. D. 32 MB. The correct answer is 2 GB. Which file is used to configure which file systems are mounted? A. etc mount.sys. B. etc filesys. C. etc sysconfig. D. etc fstab. The correct answer is etc fstab. Who has developed the Linux? A. Bob Young. B. Mark Ewing. C. Richard Stallman. D. Linus Torvalds. The correct answer is Linus Torvalds. What does OSS stand for? A. Open System Software. B. Original Source Software. C. Open Source Software. D. Original System Server. The correct answer is Open Source Software. Which of the following subdirectories contains the device files? A. Dev. B. bin. C. etc. D. home. The correct answer is Dev. Which of the following subdirectories contains the system boot scripts? A. Dev. B. bin. C. etc. D. home. The correct answer is etc. What of the following tool is used to check and repair Linux file systems? A. mkfs. B. fdisk. C. fsck. D. mount. The correct answer is fsck. Which of the following tool is used to partition your hard drive? A. mkfs. B. fdisk. C. fsck. D. mount. The correct answer is fdisk. Where can system and mail logs be found in Red Hat Linux? A. var log. B. etc log. C. mail. D. all of the above. The correct answer is var log. What command is used to display and create files? A. lyrics. B. ed. C. 6. D. cat. The correct answer is cat. Which of the following command can be used to rename a file in UNIX? A. rain. B. mv. C. remove. D. change. The correct answer is mv. What command is used to remove a file? A. dil. B. mv. C. rm. D. remove. The correct answer is rm. What command is used to display the top of the file? A. grep. B. more. C. head. D. cat. The correct answer is head. What command can be used to get information about yourself? A. which. B. pwd. C. i4. D. who am I? The correct answer is who am I? What layer protocol is responsible for user and the application program support such as passwords, resource sharing, file transfer, and network management? A. layer 4 protocols. B. layer 5 protocols. C. layer 6 protocols. D. layer 7 protocols. The correct answer is layer 7 protocols. What package group will you select during the custom configuration to enable the machine to communicate with Windows clients? A. SMB Samba connectivity. B. IPX network connectivity. C. dial-up workstation. D. all of the above. The correct answer is SMB Samba connectivity. Which of the following tool allows you to change your default X window desktop? A. switch disk. B. entrk. C. trenitre. D. xchunge. The correct answer is switch disk. Which of the following is the main Apache configuration file? A. httpd.conf. B. apache.con. C. etc profile. D. system.ini. The correct answer is httpd.conf.